Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn the difference between localized attributes and site-specific attributes in Salesforce Commerce Cloud. By looking at the icon, you can easily identify whether an attribute is localized or site-specific. If you see a language selector on a component, it means the content is localized. Clicking on it will show you the locales supported by your site. Later in the video, we'll cover how to add new languages and currencies to a site. Now, when you select a different locale, all localized content, except for site-specific attributes and IDs, will update based on that locale. If a value exists for the selected locale, it will be displayed. Otherwise, you can enter one as needed. Site-specific attributes, on the other hand, are tied to specific sites. Their values are based on the site configuration available in your sandbox or the instance you're working with. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.